You're never gonna believe it, AI is doing your taxes. Hey, it's CPA Dan Hodges for myfavoritecpa.com. I have long been a do-it-yourself advocate for things that we can do ourselves as business people, and I'm an educator here in this space and in my other social medias. As a professional and as a seasoned business CPA, I can tell you I long have imagined this moment, but the reality is there's no substitution for professional judgment. AI may be able to be used for some things like gathering data, repetitive data. A professional can evaluate fact patterns and compare it to both hypothetical situations and historical fact patterns and apply the appropriate judgment to your situation. And you've heard me say it before, tax situations are as unique as DNA, meaning that there's not a one-size-fits-all approach to tax. There's just not. Now, there's always going to be instances where AI can help. AI is not going to be able to take a square peg and fit it in a round hole and vice versa. For example, AI has been used by tax professionals for years, maybe at least a decade, where we can image a tax reporting document like a W-2 or a 1099, and the AI can take numbers from certain boxes that are mapped to where they belong on a tax return. It can flow that information over, but sometimes AI cannot tell if there's some hand-scribbled notes. What do those mean? It can take boxes and move them to an appropriate line on a tax return, but it can't read Granny's handwriting. So while AI might be beneficial as a tool for a knowledgeable tax professional, instances like business transactions or complex situations, I just have no confidence that AI is going to be able to unbundle that and come to an appropriate and correct conclusion for the overall fact pattern and situation. Tell you what, let me know in the comments. Would you allow it to do your tax filing, especially if you're in business? Drop a comment below.